Okay, primary 4 students, let's prepare ourselves for final exams. What time is 2 hours after 8:30 a.m.? So let's begin with writing 8:30. It's not hard. 8:30 a.m. It's in the morning. A.m. It's in the morning. So after 2 hours, 8 is in hours part. 30 is in minutes part. So we add 1 hour first, and we are going to see 9:30 a.m. After 1 hour, we just change hours part. It'll be 10:30 a.m. The answer is 10:30 after 2 hours, as you see. Example 2, Alex started his homework at 7:20 p.m. Alex finished his homework at 7:55 p.m. How much time did Alex work on his homework? So he started at 7:20 p.m. He finished at okay. He finished 7:55. As you see, 7 didn't change, just minutes part changed. So 55, 22, from 20 to 55, we need to add 35 minutes, as you see, at 35 minutes. So he spent 35 minutes to finish his homework. The answer is 35. He spent 35 minutes to finish his homework. The answer is 35. Thank you.